हरिः ओम् नमस्काराः स्वागतं सर्वेषाम् अस्माकं गीता संस्कृत प्रथमस्तरवर्गे प्रार्थना श्लोकेन आरभामहे। ॐ सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। इदानीम् एकं नूतनं पाठम् आरभामहे। अहं वदामि। अहं कथं वदामि? मुखेन वदामि। चषकः अस्ति, चषके चायम् अस्ति, चषके चायम् अस्ति। अहं चायं पिबामि। अहं चायं पिबामि। अहं चायं केन पिबामि? चषकेन पिबामि। चषकेन पिबामि। लेखनी अस्ति, अहं लिखामि। अहं कया लिखामि? लेखन्या लिखामि। लेखनी लेखन्या। नदी नद्या। नदी नद्या। लेखनी लेखन्या। उपनेत्रम्। अहं पश्यामि। अहं केन पश्यामि? अहम् उपनेत्रेण पश्यामि। अहम् अद्य हर्षविद्यागुरुकुलं गतवान्। अहम् हर्षविद्यागुरुकुलम् अद्य केन गतवान्? कार्यानेन गतवान्। कार्यानेन हर्षविद्यागुरुकुलं गतवान्। हर्षविद्यागुरुकुलं कया सह गतवान्? अहं मम पत्न्या सह हर्षविद्यागुरुकुलं गतवान्। पत्नी पत्न्या। नदी नद्या। लेखनी लेखन्या। वयं पूर्वमेव नदी शब्दस्य विभक्तिरूपाणि पठितवन्तः। स्मरन्ति किल? नदी शब्दस्य रूपाणि प्रथममेव पठितवन्तः। रामशब्दस्य, अनन्तरं हरिशब्दस्य, अनन्तरं गुरुशब्दस्य, दाता पिता मतिः इकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दः, रमा आकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दः, रमा रमे रमाः, रमां रमे रमाः, रमया रमाभ्यां रमाभिः इति तृतीयविभक्तिरूपाणि। रमया। सूर्य सूर्यया। सूर्यया सह अहं हर्षविद्यागुरुकुलं गतवान्। रामः रामौ रामाः, रामं रामौ रामान् द्वितीयाविभक्ति। तृतीयाविभक्तिरूपाणि रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः। अहं चषकेन, चषकः चषकेन चायं पिबामि। ईकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दः। रमा अनन्तरं नदी नदी नद्यौ नद्यः। लेखनी लेखन्यौ लेखन्यः। नदीं नद्यौ नदीः। नद्या नदीभ्यां नदीभिः। लेखनी लेखन्यौ लेखन्यः। तृतीयविभक्तिरूपाणि लेखन्या लेखनीभ्यां लेखनीभिः। कथं? नदी नद्या। लेखनी लेखन्या। अहं लेखन्या लिखामि। अहम् अङ्कन्या लिखामि। एवम् एतेषु उदाहरणेषु किम् अस्ति? अत्र साधनमस्ति। साधनं So to achieve things, to do things, we need upakaranani, sadhanani. So the sadhanam by which we achieve things, when we are using a tool or some sadhanam, a means to achieve something, to perform some task, we use tritiya vibhakti for that sadhanam. अत्र चित्राणि पश्यन्तु. अर्जुनः अस्ति, रथः अस्ति. अर्जुनः गच्छति. अर्जुनः कथं गच्छति? कार्यानेन गच्छति वा? न. तेषु दिनेषु कार्यानानि नासन्. रथाः. रथः रथेन गच्छति. केन गच्छति अर्जुनः? रथेन गच्छति. अर्जुनः प्रहरति. Praharati means he hits someone, right? So with the intention of injuring that person in a war, in a fight. Kena praharati? Banena praharati. Banaha banena. Bhimaha? Bhima doesn't use bana. What is his ayudham? Bhimasya ayudham kim? Gada. Rama, Ramaya, Surya, Suryaya, Sita, Sitaya, Gada, Gadaya, Bhimaha, Gadaya Praharati. Bhima hits who? Perhaps Duryodhana or Dushasana by his Gada. Acharyaha Jalena Abhishinchati. Abhishinchati ityukto अभिषेकं करोति इति. पश्यन्ति किल, आचार्यः जलेन अभिषिञ्चति. So when there is a function like pattabhisheka or vivaha, there with the jalam you do abhisheka. So acharyah jalena abhishinchati. Bhatah hayena gacchati. Hayah ityukto kah arthah? Ashvaha. Haya means Ashvaha, horse. Bhataha, Rakshaka Bhataha, Hayena Gachati, goes by Rakshaka Bhata, goes by a horse, rides a horse. Krishnaha Chakrayudhena Shishupalam Hatavan. Sri Krishna has killed Shishupala by what? By Chakrayudha. Jnanam avrutam bhavati. Knowledge is covered by what? Ajnanena. How did you get ajnanena? Pustakam pustakena. Pustakam pustakena. We studied that, right? Napumsakalinga shabdaha. Forms. Pustakam is like Rama Shabda, practically, excepting for the first two. Pustakam, pustake, pustakani, pustakam, pustake, pustakani. All the other forms are like Rama. Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi, Pustakena Pustakabhyam Pustakaihi. So by using the same form, Pustaka Shabda is the Napumsakalinga, Akaranta Napumsakalinga. So Chakram, Chakrayudham. Chakrayudham is like Pustaka. Pustakam, Pustakena. Chakrayudham, Chakrayudhena. Shishupalam Hatavan. Jnanam Ajnanena Avrutam Bhavati. Ajnanam is also like Pustaka Shabda. Pustakena Ajnanena. Jnanam Ajnanena Avrutam Bhavati. Jnanam, knowledge. Knowledge is covered by what? Ignorance. Agnihi dhumena avrutaha. Dhumaha. Dhumaha means smoke. Akaranta pullinga shabdaha. Ramaha. Ramaha ramena. Dhumaha dhumena. Why is there ramena and here just na? Because rashabhyam no naha. When there is a repha rakara or shakara, then nakara becomes nakara. Not always, certain cases. So you will know as you know it. Bhaktah malaya devam alankaroti. Bhaktah alankaroti. Whom? Devam. The devotee is decorating, deva, meaning, deva's picture or, vigraha. How? Malaya, by garland, by using by a garland. So, mala, malaya, rama, ramaya, evam. So, like that, you use Tritiya Vibhakti form to indicate sadhanam. Sadhanam by which one achieves, performs, does tasks. Now it's take the ninth sentence. Navamam vakyam pasyantu. Yodhaha hastabhyam kahalam vadayati. Kahalam is like mrudangam, or it's a musical instrument. Sangitaya. It's a Sangitopakaranam. Kahalaha. Hastabhyam. Why hastabhyam? Hastaha, Rama Shabdavat. So again, Rama Shabda, what are the forms? Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi. Hastena, Hastabhyam, Hastaihi. In Vivachanam, for Hasta Shabda, it is Hastabhyam. Means, what is the meaning here? Again, Pashantu. Yodhaha hastabhyam kahalam vadayati. So this is like a war drum, kahala. Yodhaha, the soldier, by his hands, two hands, dvivachana. So hastabhyam kahalam vadayati. He beats on the drum using both the hands. Vayam sancharamaha. We move, we walk. How do we walk? How do we go around? Padabhyam. Rama Shabdvat Punaha. Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi. Padena Padabhyam Padaihi. Padabhyam. Aham Devalayam Padabhyam Gachami. I go to the temple by using my feet. 2 feet, right? By using feet. So Padabhyam. So here there are some popular examples. Hastaha. Prathama vibhakti rupani hastaha, hastau, hastaha. Tritiya vibhakti rupani hastena, hastabhyam, hastaihi. Evam kurmaha. Aham vadami bhavantaha anuvadantu. Repeat after me. Can be muted. You don't have to unmute. I'll say the word Prathama vibhakti ekavachanam rupam. Then I will say the Tritiya vibhakti rupani. You repeat after me. Hastaha. Hastena, hastabhyam, hastaihi. Mala, malaya, malabhyam, malabhihi. Rama, ramaya, ramabhyam, ramabhihi. Suchi, suchi is like a needle, like nadi shabda. Suchi. Tritiya vibhakti rupani, suchya, suchibhya, suchibhihi. Vadantu. You repeat after me. You can be muted, but repeat after me. Now, if you take the Nadi Shabda se Tritiya Bhakti Rupani Kani, Nadya, Nadibhya, Nadibhihi. Phalam, Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabdaha, Phala Shabdaha, Prathama Vibhakti Rupani, Phalam, Phale, Phalani. Tritiya Vibhakti Rupani, Pullingavat, just like the Hasta. Phalena, Phalabhya, Phalaihi. So when will you use this Tritiya Bhakti form? When in the sense of sadhanam, a tool, means by which one completes a task, one achieves something. This Tritiya Bhakti. Tra Abhyasaha. Krishna, Sri Krishna, Then hastaha, prathama vibhakti ekavachanam rupam ke hastaha. Senam darshayati. Sri Krishna shows the army of Kauravas to whom? Arjuna. It is not stated here, but obviously. How does he show the army? Kena. Example is hastaha. So you can unmute and say Krishnaha.
Hastabhyam.
Hastaha ekavachanam. Will he show like this? Show or will like this? How do we show when we use single hand or we use both hands?
Single hand.
अतः वाक्यं किं भवति? कृष्णः
हस्तेन
सेनां
दर्शयति.
कृष्णः रथः गच्छति. कृष्णः रथेन गच्छति. Kasha is like the whip to control the horse, to direct the horse. Kasha is like malaya. Kashaya. Krishnaha. Sampurna vakyam. Krishnaha kashaya ashwan chodayati. Chodayati means to direct them, to control them, to direct them to. Krishnaha gada shatrun hanti. Hanti means kill. Krishna kills the enemies with what? Gada.
Gadena.
Gada akaranta gadaya. Krishnaha gadaya shatrun hanti. Vamshi is like Venuhu, flute. Nadi, Nadya. Vamshya. Krishnaha Vamshya Madhuram Gayati. Krishnaha Vetram Dhenum Sprushati. Vetrena. Krishnaha Vetrena Dhenum Sprushati. Vetram also is like that danda with which Krishna controls the cows. Dhenum Sprushati. Krishnaha chakram dushtan nigruhnati. Nigruhnati means he takes control of, meaning he attacks them, beats them. Who? Dushtan, bad people. With what? Chakrena. It will be chakrena, natvam. Why na? Because kra, rakara, repa is there, so it's chakrena. Look at the second abhyasa. Yodharaha. Yodharaha means yodhru, rukaranta shabdaha. Just like datru, data, dataraha. Data ekavachanam, dataraha bahuvachanam. Datru rukaranta shabdaha. Yodhru, yodha ekavachanam, yodharaha bahuvachanam. Yodharaha yudhyante. The soldiers fight with what? What is the clue? Khadgaha. Khadgaha is bahuvachanam, akaranta punninga shabdaha, just like Rama, Ramaha. So what is the tritiya Rama shabda bahuvachanam? Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi, Hastena, Hastabhyam, Hastaihi. Khadgaha, Khadgaihi. Hastaha, Hastaihi. Khadgaha, Khadgaihi. Bhaktaha, Devam, Archanti. To do puja. Right? So, how do devotees do the puja for God? By what? Patrani. Patrani is like phalani. Phalaihi. Patrani? Patraihi. Sampurna vakyam vadantu.
Bhaktaha patraihi
devam archanti. Uttamam. Rushayaha havanam kurvanti. Havanam, to offer in the yajna is like, in havanam kurvanti. With what? Accompanied by what? Veda mantraha. Punah Veda mantraha. Veda mantraha akaranta pullinga shabdah. Ramah Ramau Ramaha. Veda mantraha. Rishayaha Veda mantraihi havanam kurvanti. Like that. Arjunaha divya drushtihi vishwarupam drushtavan. Arjuna saw the Vishwarupa showed by Krishna. How? Divya drushtihi matihi. It's just ikaranta stilinga shabdah. Like matya, matibhya, matibhihi. Here it is ekavachanam. Matihi, matya. Divya drushtihi.
Divya Drushtya.
Drushtiya. Arjunaha divya drushtiya Vishwarupam drushtavan. Bhimaha gada ripun praharati. Bhimaha gadaya ripun praharati. Ashvaha dhavanti. The horses run with what? Padaha. Bahuvachanam.
Padaihi.
Ashvaha padaihi dhavanti. Naryaha jalam nayanti. The ladies carry water. In what? In bucket. Bucket is called droni. Droni, nadi, ekavachanam, dronyaha bahuvachanam. Nadi shabdasya bahuvachanam rupam kim? Suchi, suchyau, suchyaha, suchya, suchibhyam, suchibihi. Droni, dronyau, dronyaha, dronya, dronibhyam, dronibhihi. Atah vakyam kim atra? Naryaha dronibhihi jalam nayanti. Here you see the forms for most popular words, Tritiya Vibhakti forms. First, Prathama Vibhakti forms are given for ease of understanding. Then the Tritiya Vibhakti forms are given. We'll read some. I'll read, you repeat after me. Balaha balau balaha Prathama Vibhakti. Vadantu. Balaha balau balaha Prathama Vibhakti. Balena balabhyam balaihi Tritiya Vibhakti. Munihi ikaranta pullinga shabdah. Munihi. Munihi muni munayaha Prathama Vibhakti. Munina munibhyam munibhihi Tritiya Vibhakti. Shishuhu ukaranta pullinga shabdah. Guru shabdavat. Shishuhu shishu shishavaha Prathama Vibhakti rupani. Tritiya Vibhakti rupani. Shishuna shishubhyam shishubhihi. So like that, we have the forms here. So when you need a form, what you should do is come and look at here. So what else you have? You have the Ukaranta Pullinga, Shishu Shabda, Tantu Shabda. Then Vakta. Vakta is Rukaranta Shabda. Vaktru. Just like Yodhru, Yodha, Yodhara, Yodharaha. Like that. Vaktru, Vakta, Vaktara, Vaktaraha. Vaktra, Vaktrubhyam, Vaktrubihi. If it is a Data, Datra, Datrubhyam, Datrubhihi. Then Akaranta Stilinga Mahila Shabdaha, Rama Shabdavat. Mahila, Mahile, Mahilaha, Mahilaya, Mahilabhyam, Mahilabhihi. Like that. Right? So you can refer that and then fill the blanks. Idanim Bhavantaha Vadantu. Yodhaha, Tritiya Vibhakti Rupani. Yodhena, Yodhabhyam, Yodhaihi. Hayaha.
Hayena,
Hayabhyam,
Hayaihi. Dharmaha.
Dharmena,
Because Dharmena, Dharmabhyam, Dharmaihi. Ravihi. Ravina, Ravibhyam, Ravibhihi. Ravi means sun, Surya. Yatihi. Yatihi sadhu yogi. Yatihi. Yatina.
Yatibhyam, Yatibhihi.
Prabhu. Ukaranta pullinga shabda. Prabhu. Prabhuna. Prabhubhyam. Prabhubihi. How do you get that if you don't remember? Sishuhu. Sishuna. शिशुभ्याम शिशुभिः प्रभुः प्रभुना प्रभुना प्रभुभ्याम प्रभुभिः प्रभुना why natvam because rakara is there prabhuna like that pita rukaranta shabdah pitra pitrubhyam pitrubih dhata also is rukaranta dhata dhatra dhatrubhyam dhatrubih nisha is akaranta strilinga shabda nishaya nishabhyam nishabhihi nisha means ratrihi darkness shraddha what are the forms
Shraddhaya.
shraddhabhyam shraddhabhihi ikaranta strilinga shabdah kirtihi kirtihi kirtya kirtyam kirtibhihi drutihi ध्रुत्या ध्रुतिभ्याम ध्रुतिभिः मही मह्या महीभ्या महीभिः नदी
Nadya.
नदीभ्याम
Nadibhyam. Nadibihi.
नदीभिः like that. Here you have to match. Arjunah shatrun hatavan. Arjuna has killed the enemies by what? The options are given. You have to choose the correct option, correct form. Ishavaha. Ishavaha is like ukaranta pullinga shabda, just like guru shabda, shishu. Shishuhu, shishu, shishavaha. Ishuhu, ishu, ishavaha. Bahuvachanam, ukaranta pullinga shabdaha. Ishu means bana. So that's appropriate, right? Very first one is appropriate because Arjuna must have used banas. So here it is Ishavaha. So what is the Tritiya Bahuvachanam for Ishavaha?
Ishubhihi.
Ishubhihi. How did he get it? Shishubhihi. Like the Ishubhihi. Bhimaha Duryodhanascha Yudhyete. So actually it's already given. Match. You just have to change the form. Yudhyete. Bhimaha Duryodhanascha. What vachanam? Eka vachanam or dvivachanam? Dvivachanam. Why? Bhima and Duryodhana. Yudhyete. Yudhyate. Yudhyete. Yudhyante. Vandate. Vandete. Vandante. Bhima and Duryodhana fought. Were fighting. Two are fighting. With what?
Gadaya. Gadabhyam.
Gadabhyam. Why? You have to use the Dvivachana form. Gada, gade, gadaha, gadaya, gadabhyam, gadabhihi. So what is the full sentence? Bhimaha, Duryodhanaha, cha,
Gadabhyam.
gadabhyam, yudhyete. Yeah. Sarathihi, Ashwan badhnati. Ashwan, Saradhi, ties the horses with what? Rajjavaha. Rajjuhu, Rajju, Rajjavaha. Rajjavaha. Ukaranta shabdaha bahuvachanam. Ataha panaha tritiya vibhakti rupam kim? Rajjavaha. Rajjubhihi. Rajjubhihi. It is like here see Dhenoho is Ukaranta strilinga shabda. Dhenva, Dhenubhyam, Dhenubhihi, Rajva, Rajjubhyam, Rajjubhihi. Like that. Muktaha Bhaktaha Krishnasya Priyaha. Muktaha. Muktaha means free. Bhaktaha, devotee. Krishnasya Priyaha. Who is beloved of Lord Krishna? If a devotee who is freed, one who is freed from what? By what? Harsha, Marsha, Bhayodvegaha. Harsha, Amarsha, Bhaya, Udvega. Right? Being excited, being too happy, or excited, unhappy, Bhaya, fear. These are all the feelings. It is Bahuvachanam. Just like Ramaha. Ramaha, what is the Tritiya Vibhakti form?
Ramaihi.
Ramaihi. So udvegaha dvegaihi. So harsha marsha bhayodvegaihi. Harshamarshya bhayodvegaihi muktah bhaktah krishnasya priyaha. Don't be afraid of the long form. It is just like balakaha, ramaha, balakaha, balakaihi, like that. Vayam krishnam aptum ichhamaha. We like to reach Krishna. How? Abhyasa yogaha. Rama Shabdavat. Ekavachanam akaranta pullinga. What is the tritiya?
अभ्यास योगेन
Yogena. Ekavachanam. Yogena. Ataha sampurna vakyam kim? Vayam
वयम्
abhyasa yogena
कृष्णम्
aptum ichhamaha.
आप्तुम्
So here you have to be careful. Vayam is bahuvachanam, the Katrupadam. But the tool, the sadhanam is only one. Abhyasa yogaha, ekavachanam. Only with one sadhana. What is the sadhana? Abhyasa yogaha. By practicing yoga. Ekavachanam. So abhyasa yogena. Vayam abhyasa yogena krishnam aptum ichhamaha. Balaramaha praharati. Balarama hits his enemies. With what? Balaramaha. Halam. Halam means in a plow. His ayudham is, what is a plow, right? The olden days, to do irrigation farming, they use that halam. Halam is, ayudham is halam. So, ataha kim bhavati tritiya rupam halam?
हलेन
Alena. Vakyam kim bhavati Balaramaha
हलरामः
हलेन प्रहरति
praharati. Like that. Pandavaha ranaghosham krutavantaha. Ranaghosham. They made sound for what? To announce beginning of war. Ranaghosham. Krutavantaha. By what? Shankhaha. It's like bhaktaha, ramaha. Pullinga bahuvachana. Tritiya rupam kim bhavati? Ramaha ramaihi. Shankhaha.
शङ्खैः
Sampurna vakyam kim bhavati?
पाण्डवाः शङ्खैः
Aihi. Ranaghosham.
रणघोषं
Krutavantaha.
कृतवन्तः
Krutavantaha. Now there are more exercises here. What is given? Ka, kha. 2 columns. Stambhadvayam. Prathame stambhe. Prathama vibhakti rupam dattamasti. Kim karaniyam? Tritiya vibhakti uchitam rupam atra yojaniyam. Yajñau. Ramau. Between these two. Yajñau. Yajñabhyam yajñaihi. Which is the appropriate form?
यज्ञाभ्याम्
Yajñabhyam. Kutaha? Dvivachanam. Dvivachanam. Nadyau. Nadi, nadyau, dvivachanam. So which is the tritiya vibhakti form, correct form? Nadibhyam. Nadibhyam, nadibihi is bahuvachanam, but it is dvivachanam. So kratavaha, kratuhu, kratu, kratavaha, ukaranta pullinga shabdaha, guru shabdavat, bahuvachanam. Ataha uchitam tritiya vibhakti rupam kim kratubhyam or kratubihi? Kratavaha is bahuvachanam. So which is the appropriate tritiya form?
क्रतुभिः
Kratubihi. Kutaha bahuvachanam. So like that. You have to match by the vachanam. Then rekhankitan shabdan adhikrutya yathodaharanam prashnan likhata. Now you have to form the question words. To do the question words, you have to know the forms, right? How do you get the question words? So it is given here in the table here. Here, Pullinga and Napumsakalinga, the questions are Kena, Vadantu, Kena,
केन
Abhyam,
काभ्यां
Kaihi. So what is the meaning? Kena, by which? Ekavachanam. Kabhyam, by which two? Kaihi, by which in Bahuvachanam. Strilinga, Ka, कया वदन्तु कया
कया
कां
कयाभ्यां
काय काभ्यां कया काभ्यां
कया
काभ्यां
काभिः.
काभिः.
This is the Strilinga. So kaya Sriramah kaya saha vanam gatavan. Sriramah Sitaya saha vanavansam gatavan. Like that. So you have to use that. Use this form and then fill in the te pushpaihi archanti. They do puja. By pushpaihi answer is given. So the question word will be kaihi. How do you get kaihi? Pushpaihi is pushpa, Strilinga Shabdaha and Bahuvachanam. Strilinga, Napumsakalinga Shabdaha, pushpa, Napumsakalinga. For Napumsakalinga, what is the Bahuvachanam form? Prashnavachaka, kaihi. Punlinga and Napumsakalinga both. Trutiya Bahuvachanam is kaihi. Arjunaha hastabhyam ayudhyata avandata vandate langlakara rupam avandata yudhyate ayudhyata. Arjuna fought with what? Hastabhyam pullinga shabdaha dvivachana. So which is the prashnavachaka dvivachanam?
काभ्या
काभ्यां
संपूर्ण वाक्यं किं प्रश्नवाक्यं? अर्जुनः अयुध्यत and you put a question mark. सिद्ध संघाः स्तुतिभिः स्तुवन्ति. सिद्ध संघाः, the groups of siddhaः, people, yogis, siddha people, they are stuvanti. They are praising, they are singing, the prarthana shlokas by praising through hymns. Who are praising whom? Gods. By what? Stutibihi. Stutibihi is like matibihi. Ikarant Strilinga Shabda. Strilinga Bahuvachanam. So for Strilinga Bahuvachanam, what is the question form?
काभिः
काभिः. अत्युत्तमं. काभिः. अतः वाक्यं किं भवति? प्रश्नवाक्यं सिद्धसङ्घाः काभिः स्तुवन्ति. Sarvavid. Sarvavid means one who knows everything. Jnani. Sarvavid. Sarvabhavena devam bhajati. He seeks God. He seeks. He approaches God. He prays to God. With what kind of bhava? As me, eka bhavaha, me, or sarva bhava. Sarva bhavena. So, what is the prashnavakyam? Sarva bhavena. Sarva bhavaha. Pullinga shabdaha ekavachanam. Kena. 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 Ekavachanam. Ekavachanam tritiya. Kena. Atah prashnavakyam kim bhavati?
सर्वविद केन
भजति. वैनतेयः चञ्च्वा नागान् भक्षयति. भक्षयति means eat. नागान्. नागान् means snakes. नागः नागौ नागाः. नागं नागौ नागान्. Dvitiya vibhakti you already learned. You remember? Ramam Ramau Raman. So Nagan Bhakshayati. Vainateyaha. Vainateya is Garuda. Garuda eats the snake, sarpas. With what? Chanchuhu. Chanchuhu is the what is that? The nose, right? The bird. Chanchva Bhakshati. Chanchva. So Chanchuhu. So what will be the see Chanchuhu? Is it given? The form Chanchva, is it given? No, it is not given. It is like Dhenuhu, Dhenva. So Ukaranta Strilinga Shabda Ekavachanam. So it will be question mark. Question word will be
Kaya.
Kaya. Vainateyaha Kaya Nagan Bhakshayati. Vayam Karnabhyam Shunumaha. Vayam Karnabhyam is the answer. Question will be Vayam
काभ्याम
Kabhyam Shunumaha. Why Karnaha Akaranta Pulling Shabdaha. Karnabhyam Kabhyam. Like that. So like that you have to fill the. This is now reading these shlokas and then identifying the Tritiya Vibhakti forms in the shlokas. You can try that yourself. And then see Avarane Dattasya Shabdasya Uchitena Vibhakti Rupena Riktasthanam Purayata Gadaha Tatra Santi. There are the Gadas. Tabhihi Bhavantaha Yudhyantam. Yudhyantam is Lot Lakara Bahuvachanam. You remember Vandate Shabda, you learned the Lot Lakara. Vandatam, Vandetam, Vandantam. Vandate, Vandete is Lat Lakara. Lot Lakara is Vandatam, Vandetam, Vandantam, Yudhyantam. Right? So, Bhavanta Yudhyantam. You shall fight. With what? Taha. By them. Strilinga Shabda. So, it will be Tabhihi. How do you get that Tabhihi? How did you get that? It is given here. See? Saha tat pullinge tena tabhyam taihi. Strilinge sa. Where is the sa here? Sa taya tabhyam tabhihi. So here gadaha akaranta strilinga shabdaha bahuvachanam. So sa bahuvachanam is tabhihi. Kurchaha samichinaha santi. Kurcha means the brush, the painting brush. Samichinaha santi, they are appropriate. Chitrakaraha chitrani likhati. Chitrakara, the artist, makes the pictures or writes the pictures. With what? Kurchaha. Te pullinga shabdaha bahuvachanam tritiya rupam kim? Sahatau te tena tabhyam taihi. How do you arrive at taihi? Is pullinga shabda tat shabda. Pullinga saha. Sahatau te. So tena tabhyam taihi. Ataha sampurna vakyam kim? Kurchaha samichenaha santi. Anantara taihi chitrakaraha chitrani likhati. Churika tikshna asti. Tikshna means sharp. Churika, knife is sharp. Sa strilinga ekavachanam. Jagarukataya kartayatu. Jagarukataya, carefully. Kartayatu, cut carefully. With what? Sa. For sa, ekavachana, what is the tritiya rupam?
Taya.
Taya. Ataha vakyam kim? Churika tikshna asti.
तया
Jagarukataya kartayatu. With that, cut carefully. Pushpani sundarani santi. The flowers are beautiful. Devam archamaha. We offer to Deva. With what? Tani. Napumsakalinga bahuvachanam. Tatte tani. So what is the bahuvachanam tritiya?
Taihi.
Taihi. Ataha vakyam kim bhavati? Pushpani sundarani santi. Taihi devam archamaha. Archamaha. Like that. So these are the Sarvanama Tritiya Vibhakti forms. Right. And where else you use Tritiya Vibhakti? Saha. When you use, see, these Vibhaktis are two kinds. One is like, depending on the function. Like, whenever it is sadhanam, you use Tritiya. Just like location. Kutra. Saptami Vibhakti. Dvitiya Vibhakti. When do you use Dvitiya Vibhakti? कर्मपदम्. अहं देवालयं गच्छामि. देवालयः देवालयम्. But there are in some cases a specific vibhakti has to be used when specific words are used. For example, we have seen, right, paritaha, ubayataha, vina, right? When we are using this vina, paritaha, ubayataha, we use dvitiya vibhakti. We learned, you remember? Gruham asti or devalaya asti, devalayam paritaha vrikshaha santi. So around the temple there are trees. Paritaha. When the word paritaha is used, you have to use the dvitiya vibhakti form. So devalayam paritaha. Right? We saw that. Similarly, when saha, when the word saha is used, saha, you have to use tritiya vibhakti form for the word. For example, Arjunaha Karnaha. Arjunaha Karnaha Saha Yudhyeta. Yudhyeta is like Vandeta. So Arjuna should fight with Karna. So Karnaha Saha. Here Karna is not a tool, is not sadhana. But he will use Tritiya. Why? Because of the word Saha. Whenever there is Saha, you have to use Karnain, like Tritiya. For example, Sita Ramena Saha Udyanam Gacchati. Sri Ramaha Sitaya Saha Vanam Gacchati. Here, see, here the word, why do we have Tritiya? Sitaya. Sita is not a sadhanam, but still you use Tritiya. Why? Because of the word Saha. Right? So this is called Upapada Vibhakti, meaning when a specific word is used, you can only use certain acceptable Vibhaktis. You cannot just use blindly any Vibhakti. So when Saha is used, you have to use Tritiya. Bhimaha Duryodhanaha. Bhimaha Kena Saha Yudhyeta. Bhimaha
Duryodhanena
Kena Saha Yudhyeta. Nakulaha Draunihi. Draunihi means Drona's son. His name is Draunihi, like Harihi. Harihi, what is the Tritiya forms? Harina. Ravihi, Ravina, Ravina. So Nakulaha Draunina Saha Yudhyeta. Got it? So you have to use the Tritiya. Why? Because Saha is used. And let us use, let us go for other forms of this Saha. Again, only Saha. Sita Ramena Saha Vanam Gacchati. Sita goes to forest with, accompanied by Rama. Right? So, Ramena Saha. Dhritarashtraha Saha Vartalapam Karoti. Vartalapam means to chat. Dhritarashtra is chatting with Sanjaya. So, what is the form you have to use here? Vakya Madatu. Dhritarashtraha Sanjayena Saha Vartalapam Karoti. Dhritarashtra is chatting with
Sanjaya.
Sanjaya. Sanjayena Saha. Aham Saha Yudhyeya iti Arjunaha Prushtavan. Yudhyeya means shall fight. Aham, I shall fight with. Arjuna asked, I shall fight with K. Kaha kau K. Bahuvachanam. Kena, if it is Ekavachanam, Kena. Bahuvachanam, Kaha kau K. Bahuvachanam. Kaihi. So what is the Vakyam? Aham Kaihi Saha Yudhyeya iti Arjunaha Prushtavan. Arjuna asked, with whom shall I fight? Bhaktaha Saha Snehena Vyavaharati. A devotee behaves, conducts himself with affection, friendship. With whom? With only certain people? No. Sarve. Bahuvachanam. Sarvaha sarvau sarve. For sarva shabda, bahuvachanam. What is the tritiya? Sarvaha. Sarvena sarvabhyam sarvaihi. Bahuvachanam is sarvaihi. So atah vakyam kim bhavati? Bhaktah
सर्वैः
saha snehena vyavaharati. We'll do one more and stop. Karnaha kunti saha sambhashanam krutavan. Kunti nadi nadyam. Nadyam is saptami. Tritiya is nadya. Kunti kuntya. Vakyam kim bhavati? Karnaha
कुन्त्या
saha sambhashanam krutavan. Karna conversed, had a dialogue. With whom? With Kunti. Like that. Then there is one more special application of Tritiya, Upapada, special, is Vina. You remember, through Dvitiya also you used, right, for Vina? So Vina, when there is Vina, special word, you can use either Dvitiya or Tritiya. Krishnena saha Pandava Sainyam asti. The Pandavas army is with Krishna. Here, Krishnena saha asti va, Krishnena vina asti va, Kaurav Sainyam.
कृष्णेन
Vina. Meaning, Kaurav Sainya is there, but without Krishna. Krishnena vina Kaurava Sainyam asti. Suryena vina prakashaha na bhavati. Prakashaha means light. There is no light without Surya. You can also say Suryam vina prakashaha nasti. That is also correct. We already learned that. Now we are learning Tritiya also can be used for vina. Here, is it sadhanam? Surya is a sadhanam here? No. Then why we are using Tritiya? Because of the word vina. Aham mitrena vina vipanim gacchami. Vipani means shop, store. Aham mitrena vina vipanim gacchami. I go to store without my friend. Like that. Vedaihi vina bharatasya prasiddhihi nasti. India's fame would not have been there, not existed. Without what? Vedaha. To say that, you have to use Tritiya. You cannot say Vedaha vina. You have to say Vedaihi vina. Why Tritiya? Why not Prathama? Because vina. You can use Dvitiya or Tritiya. Let us do the exercise. Balaha dugdhena vina bhojanam na karoti. Bala, the boy, doesn't eat without dugdham, without milk. Dugdhena vina. Just 5 more minutes. We'll conclude. This is the last exercise. Vruddhaha vina na chalati. Kena vina na chalati vruddhaha?
दण्डेन
Sampurna vakyam kim bhavati? Vruddhaha dandena vina na chalati. Deshaha vina na shobhate. Deshaha deshabhaktaha. Deshabhaktena vina na shobhate. Right? A country will not shine or will not prosper without Deshabhaktena. Deshabhaktena means a patriot, without a patriot. Saha vina kutrapi na gacchati. Aham. For aham, what is the Tritiya? Aham, ekavachanam. Maya, avabhyam, asmabhihi. So what will it be? Saha maya vina kutrapi na gacchati. What is the meaning? He doesn't go anywhere without me. You cannot say saha aham vina kutrapi na gacchati. You have to say saha Maya vina kutrapi na gacchati.
Prani na gaccha.
Okay, like that. So Shraddhaya vina, Sangaha Sangena vina, Jnanam Jnanena vina, Divya Kavacham Divya Kavachena vina, Bhitihi Bhitya vina, Manihi
Maniya.
Manina, Manihi Manina, Harihi Harina. If it was Nadi, Nadya, Manihi Manina. Right? Manihi, Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda. Manina Vina Vanam Gatavan. So that concludes the lesson. So Tuman will do in the next class. We'll stop here. Thanks for joining. We completed one lesson. Tritiya. So this video recording will be shared for the benefit of everybody, even those who missed the class, so they can watch the class and then do the homework. You go ahead, do the homework, and I'll post some quizzes in the group. Attempt those quizzes. So next week we'll have the class on Sunday, and I'm thinking next week we need one extra class. We need 3 more classes. So I don't want it to take it to September, because September we have to start new year. So I'm thinking next Saturday morning, next Sunday morning, 9 o'clock, we will have the class as usual. One extra class on Saturday, same time. Saturday morning, 9 a.m., which will be in India. Saturday evening, 6:30 p.m. India. So for Kavita Mahodaya and others. Is that okay for all of you? So what we'll do is on Saturday morning, we'll try to complete maybe Panchami Bhakti, then Twal, Yap and Tumun on Sunday. We'll see. We may stop there. Next Sunday, maybe our last class, we'll see how it goes. So next Saturday morning, 9 a.m., we'll have the class. Next Sunday morning, 9 a.m., we'll have the 2 classes. We'll finish Panchami and the important Twa, Lyap and Tumun. Okay? Bhavatu. Atra sthapayamaha. Shantimantram vadamaha. Kah vaktumichchati vadatu.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु
Santu niramaya.
निरामयाः
Sarve
सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु
Prashyantu
मा
ma
कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
Harihi Om. Dhanyavadah. Shubharatrihi. Shubhodaya.
धन्यवादः
ధన్యవాదः
धन्यवादः